Okay, let me explain what is reference purchase organization in SAP. So in this picture, see, imagine there will be a company code which is 1000. Okay, standard I have taken this example. 1000 company code has multiple plants. Okay, so in that case, you just imagine Huston and Austin plant. Okay, has a purchase organization EORG. Okay, Huston is one plant, and then another is like Austin. So these plants are coming under one business company code. So they will be doing some business. So now imagine these two has purchase organization is assigned with what? EORG. EORG is the purchase organization 4-digit letter. Okay, this is assigned already with these two purchase plant. Okay, now these two plants are referring another purchase organization. Okay, reference purchase organization which is maintained in the system. Reference purchase organization is maintained in the system is ROR. See, they have kept R is for the reference, just for understanding. So this is a reference purchase organization. How this will like how in the reality how it will work out. So this reference purchase organization will have a contract. Simple. Under this reference purchase organization, so they'll be creating some contracts. Okay, not with the EORG, not with this purchase organization. With this purchase organization, they'll be creating a contract. Material will be the same. This material. Okay, I can take material of what details. It's a steel bolt. Steel bolt is procured across the company code level. Like it is general material. The example we have taken here, steel bolt. Okay, so now how this contracts are created based on the reference purchase organization. The contract number will be generated by using the vendor. Who is the vendor supplier for that material? Steel bolt is supplied by a vendor named Smith Corp, like that. Okay, that is the simple info. Smith Corp, you are going to purchase the vendor. So you're going to create a contract with reference to reference organization. This one flow is clear for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how these two plants can use this reference purchase organization, how it is going to happen? Simple. You are going to create a purchase organization, purchase order. Okay. Normal purchase order. Okay. So where you are creating a purchase order here, while creating purchase order, you are referring this contract number. Referring a contract number with reference, that contract number has a reference purchase organization details. Okay, so you are not going to create separate POs with this plan, no, not like that. You are going to create a PO by referring this contract number, which has already 10,000 pieces order, like in the sense contract is already made with this particular vendor for this material, like that. Okay, so here when you're creating any vendor master, that time you should be very clear that you should create a vendor master with respect to both the purchase organization. Vendor master should have linkage between EORG and RORG. If you don't create this combination of these two purchase organization for the vendor, then it will not allow you to do this process. Okay. Generally, when we go with normal purchase organization, how will be the process? You will be having a company code with the plant. Then you will be creating a purchase order. Okay. That contract also have this purchase organization. If it is not reference purchase organization, then you will be using this purchase organization to create a contract. In this case, you are referring some purchase organization or which has all the laws, policies, or conditions, everything which is maintained for this particular purchase organization, not with EORG. EORG will be general normal standard purchase organization which is maintained with respect to this plant. So how this is going to help? By creating this RORG and assigning somewhere in the system. See, in the system, you can assign, you know, right, how to reference purchase organization assignment will happen. Yes. So that will be used for this contract. Okay. So then see, this material master creation should happen for both the plants, because if you don't extend your material master for Huston and Austin, both the plant, then only you can raise a PO and all. It is possible, or else it will say that there is no material maintained for the plant and all. Okay, so material creation is completely independent, which is not related with any purchase organization. You create material for this plant, and the same data will be there, means you can extend to the Austin plant. Not required to again creating material master with the MM01, adding all the details. You can extend. Extend means you are copying the material master details from the Austin plant and just copy paste to the another plant like that.
Yes.
Okay, that is a normal standard process. Okay, now example we'll take this in the SAP system. So okay, we'll recreate this data. If you have the system, then I can use that same system only. Is this system you are using?
I don't know. Let me see.
Just
I
check
was
your.
getting 800 client.
Okay. Do you know the properties? If you get into your SAP system, just click on this properties and tell me the property which you are using, this one and this
Okay,
instance
we will
number.
check. Yes.
October means I think it's a different server. I think not this one. So that I can add here and I can run. And if you have a data in your system, means you can share your screen also. I will see how much data you have maintained. I'll just stop sharing. I will just verify whether you have done properly or I'll just correct it. Okay.
Yes.
You can share this.
ES7 instant number is 15 and application server 49.2078.95.
Okay. You just share your screen, whatever data you have maintained. You just explain me. Then
So I have already created one scenario where I have like taken two purchase organization which are separately assigned to the one of the plants. Means we have two plants, so for each plant one purchase organization is
that
there.
is okay, no issues. That is okay. That is like plant specific purchase organization you managed with
Yes.
each plant, not centrally managed. If you maintain one purchase organization, okay, with the two plant which is assigned with a company code also, then it is centrally purchase organization. Okay, plant specific you have done with this plant specific, no issues with that. You just explain me the scenario.
Okay.
You done, just share your screen.
Just allow me to say.
Yeah, I just allowed. Show the step. If it is good, then I no issues. That is considered.
See my screen?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Okay,
So
you just make it little bigger. In the bottom there is option.
okay.
You're making less plus. Okay. Now close that navigation thing. Okay.
So I have decided like as I explained.
Make it little less. Yeah.
So I have one plant, Amarnath.
Mm-hmm.
Amarnath plant, which code is MCAP, and it's assigned to purchase organization POAW. Then another plant is there, Thane office, MCTO, which is assigned to purchase of POTO.
Okay, no problem. This is plant specific purchase organization.
Yes. Then reference organization should be assigned to the all plants purchase of. So I have assigned this both of the purchase organization to reference purchase organization.
Then right.
That is CPOM.
That's right. Yeah, this is the right method you have done. No issues. After then, that, what you did?
Vendor should be created with the both reference purchase organization and plant purchase organization.
Right. That is also right.
So you can see it is MK visual screen, and there you can see the vendor which is created with all the purchase organization. So
if you show once in SAP screen, that will be more clear.
Yes, if you can see like the same vendor. Okay, you want to see in a SAP screen?
Yeah. Because for the audience, it is little clear like how you manage this scenario, so they can refer and they can recreate it.
From where I should start? From the purchase of? From where?
One second, one second. You no. Purchase organization and all. Yeah, you can show once in the system also. Where and all you maintained which activity action. Go to enterprise structure and all. Okay, it is taking some time to load. That's fine.
I'll explain further scenario. Then okay.
No, you just go to enterprise structure and show the configuration of whatever you had done. Like first an assignment of creation of a purchase organization and all not required. Where you assign to a plant, na? That you show assignment of plant and all.
Assignment
In the material management.
Assign
purchase organization to plant. Yeah.
Plant.
Yeah.
So yeah. My purchase organization is POAW, first one. Insert that. So it's assigned to the MCAP plant. Then second one is POTO. And it is assigned to the MCTO plant.
Okay, this is assignment is done. Okay.
Okay. Then
so where you assigned the reference?
Standard.
Yeah.
My CPOM, my reference procedure.
You just enter both the combination. CPOM and your other purchase organization details.
So POAB and CPOM is assigned here, and another you can see POTO and CPOM is assigned here.
Okay.
So
okay.
Both
It's
is complete.
Clear. Yeah.
Okay. Then we have to go to the vendor master now in the MKVZ screen.
Yeah.
You can see like vendor is like assigned to the three of the purchase order.
It's maintained, not assignment.
Okay.
When you're talking vendor master, it's maintaining the vendor master with respect to the purchase organization. Yeah.
Not entering purchase organization, only entering the vendor. You can see here it is showing that vendor is created with the three of the purchase objects. CPOM, it is a reference purchase order. It's POAW, it's for Amarnath plant, and POTO, it's for Thane plant.
Okay, done. So where is your contract? You can show your contract also.
Okay. Then material. You have to complete material as well. So material should be created with the bloat products.
Okay.
So we will
MM60. You can show MM60. Don't show MARC, because for the end user level, always you should refer MM60. Just pass the material number and just show the plant number. Some above dump is there. You can try once. Check whether your material number is properly entered.
Okay.
Is that right material number? Okay, or else you can show with the MM03. No issues, because this something above dump is there with this T code. Just go back to the MM03.
Okay, MM03 it will not show like
it will show both the plant. It will show both the plant. Just type.
No,
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Go to MM03. I'll tell you how to see that.
Okay.
Enter the material. Okay. Press enter. Choose only purchasing view. Unselect all. Unselect all. In the bottom there is option is there. Select all. Unselect all. Only purchasing you take. Press and okay. Click on org level.
Org level.
Yeah. Here you can click on F4. There is option, na? Drop down. Sorry. Square.
Okay.
Click on that. So here you can show to the audience, or maybe the end user. See, this is the plant number MCAP MC2O as extended. When it is XX means it is already maintained for that particular plant for this material. Like that you can show. Simple. In case MM60, now MM60 normally works, right? Today it is not working.
No, for my system it's never work.
Never work. Okay.
So I was checking like I have taken the startup from MARC table. To
Okay.
show
And
the audience, like I have
that's
maintained
it.
this for broadband,
That's it.
I have taken the table
But
for
problem is
MM61.
suddenly if you explain MARC, some
Mhm.
business user will not never be knowing about MARC. See, consulting
Okay.
level only we will go into MARC. See, when we need something data to be extracted or something logic to be written,
Mhm.
that time only we'll get into a table. In front of
Yes,
user, we will
actually,
not get
but
into.
my MM60 screen always look like that. So I thought to
That's right.
show in a single screen that I have maintained this material for a broadband. That's why I.
Got your point. Even you can put this screenshot, MM03 screenshot in this Word document to make sure how you can view the material master in the transaction level. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
I'm not saying it's wrong,
No,
but
yeah, I
when
got
it is
that.
user perspective, put that one screenshot here. It's a transaction MM03. You can view these two material is extended for this is planned like that, and this is a table level information you can mention, because when you mention here, na, so it will give a proper info to the whoever refer this document. That's
Okay,
it.
I will do one thing. I will like I have another one plan. So I will just create a scenario which we will explain. Like only one purchase organization will be responsible for the whole project.
That you can do, because that will be a little plain scenario.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Con
now contract. The contract should be created with the
reference
reference
purchase.
purchase order.
Hmm.
So here you can see the CPOM is there. So
Hmm.
we will open the
Open the
contract.
contract. Yeah.
ME31L, is it?
Yeah. ME31L is to creation.
No, so okay,
33L is for the
K
display.
K.
K is for display of contract. L is for scheduling agreement.
Okay.
Okay.
So here we have to see the header.
Header level. Yeah.
So here you can see the purchase organization is CPOM.
Hmm.
It's normal quantity contract.
Hmm.
And now what we do, we have to create one purchase or sorry PO with the both of plant we can purchase separately. So I
Hmm.
have created with the one MCAP plant, then MCTO plant.
Hmm.
So I will just show the PO.
Show the contract number. That's it. I wanted to see whether
In
you
the
referred.
PO,
Yeah, in the PO, you should show the contract number, whether you
okay.
referred any contract number or not. That is the main thing. You always, whenever you raise any this thing contract with the reference thing, right? This process. So that is a process to be followed. From there only, it will pick up the quantity, how much quantity you wanted to order. Just scroll right side. That's it.
Here is the contract
This is a contract.
984. So you can see 984 is the contract.
Okay, then right. You have used that contract. Now open
Now
the contract number.
here
No,
also
no.
I will
Go to
show.
contract number.
Uh-huh.
Go to the contract number.
Question. I wanted to show that a plant is used MCP.
Okay.
And one thing is there in a header level, whenever you like you give reference to this contract, here CP which also have a reference purchase organization which will be showing here. So you have to change this purchase organization to your plant specific purchase organization. Then it will be allowed to save. Is it right?
It is when you refer any contract,
Uh-huh.
okay, outline agreement, the data will pick up from the outline agreement only. So
Yes.
not required to change anything. That is a real process, because this PO is raised with reference to the contract, and even vendor will also look at the purchase organization, which is reference purchase organization.
Yes, but I will create
You create
a
one.
new one.
You create one new one. Refer
Okay.
this contract number and just show me the purchase organization which is picking up.
Yes.
Just change that mouse option here.
It's not good.
Is that comfortable for you to use?
Yes, now I'm used to it.
Okay. Enter the number always, contract number when you're
Yes, sir.
entering. If it is one number means one line means it will pick up automatically. When you have multiple line item, then it will not take.
So it's asking for a plant. So I will say MCAP. So here, like it is showing the warning message. Purchase organized CPOM not responsible for MCAP.
Because you have maintained that purchase organization for that plant, right?
Yes.
There is a assignment is there. So that definitely see now from the contract it is picked up. If you go to arc data, it is picked up from the contract. Yeah, now you are going to change, or else if you don't change, it will not allow you to save the PO. That's right.
Yes, yes. So if what is my purchase organization for this plant is POAW.
Correct.
So
right.
When I change this, it's asks quantity. So I would say 10 quantity. So relocation. Now it will allow me to save the PO.
That's right.
Might be in a if both of the purchase organization.
Try that also.
Okay.
With the plant design one purchase organization, then you see that.
Okay, it's also show the warning.
That's okay. With all import data is not incomplete. Can deliver date is met. Save it. So it's working, right? That's it.
Yes.
Okay, did you receive the goods for that contract?
Not yet.
Okay, that's fine.
I will try that also.
Yeah, once you receive the goods for that all the POs, then you should show the contract. If it is 1,000 piece, it will keep on reducing the contract quantities.
Okay.
This much is received. Okay. Okay, this much is enough. I think we can close this session. Okay, recording, and we can share this information with the audience. Okay, and you join again. So we'll talk on some open questions from your end.
Okay.